Hi guys, today we will discuss Fibonacci retracement levels. You need to select Fibonacci retracement level from this pitchfork and there is a line here. You click on it and you select Fibonacci retracement and you need to select a fall to understand where it will rise next. Now wait a minute. Sorry. Come on, sorry. Wait a minute. Here we go. Here we go. You need to select it again. This high till this low, and if you select format and extend lines, you see the future. Here you go. We selected from this high till this low, and once it went up, let me zoom in to show you in detail. Once it went up, it crossed this line, then it crossed this line, this line, this line, this line, and as you can see, it was never stopped at any place you thought it would. But the point is, this Fibonacci level gives you a levels to sit down and see if it gets stopped or not. If it does, then there is something wrong because it can go down then after that. However, I would recommend you to take a look at 2 to 3 highs. If it gets stopped at 2 to 3 highs at different levels, then it can go down. So let's take from this high till this low, that is this high and this low. Wait a minute, Fibonacci, this high till this low, right? Now, just look at it. It went till this low, went up, again fell off, went straight, then it rose and was stopped at this green level. Then it again fell off and was stopped at this red level. Again rose and it was stopped at this blue level, fell off and it was stopped around this green level. Then rose, was stopped at this blue level, then fell off but was contained within these two levels and rose, and now it is making the high at the exact same level. So this is the first high. Now I was if you remember, I was talking about 2 or 3 highs at the same levels. Now if let's assume this is the first high and a second high is made here, either on this month, July or August, and it fell off. So this will be 2 highs. If it makes a third high and fell off, 3 highs, then it means there's this resistance is really powerful and it may not cross. So this will help you understand if it will be making newer highs, that is more money, or it will get stuck. Because in trading, getting stuck is more knowledgeable than a rising price, because in a rising tide everyone makes money, but in a stuck share, in a stuck cryptocurrency, you may not know what's really happening and why it's not crossing. So this is really important knowledge. An example, if it crosses $3,000, then what will happen? That is this high. Your second high level is $4,100. So you know if it crosses 3,000, there is a complete 33% high rise. If it crosses $4,100, there is a complete rise to $4,783. So this is how you understand this Fibonacci level are really strong. Now let's move to weekly. Wait a minute. Okay, we have selected weekly chart and we have removed the previous Fibonacci retracement. Now on the weekly chart, let me show you something important. We will be selecting Fibonacci retracement from this high. Sorry, it's not selected. Again, let's select it from this high. Come on, what's really going on? Yeah, here. We have selected this. Now let's format it and extend lines. Now we have selected from this major high till this major low, And now as you can see, it stopped here, stopped here, stopped here, took support here, and then went up, right? Went till 3000 is going down as of now. So it's going down, support is around this level, or if it will cross the 3000 mark and will move higher. Now what it does my experience says? My experience says today is Friday. Friday night. So this is a closed chart. That is, it's not trading as of now. Yeah, it shows closed here. So the price hasn't crossed the previous high. So I believe it is going down currently. Now this low is an important level, this low, because it was a flash low. So I believe it can go till $2,037. If not, then $2,254. But we will discuss it further in this lecture. So wait a minute. Now we have discussed from that high till this low, and we have seen the price went up. It went up, took support right here on this red line, went up, up, up. This was a resistance. It went lower. This was a support. It again went higher. Now, just to inform you, anytime if it is rising, hitting a high and falling but making a low, making a support and then rising. So this rise is really important. If it crosses the above line, let's look at it here. Let me zoom in. Right here, look at this, all these candles. It rose, made a new high. It was stopped on this resistance, went lower. It made a support on this line. Then next day it opened, went lower, made a lower low, but came back up and closed above this blue line. Then it stopped, it started to rise. Once it closed above this line, it represented it's making newer highs. And it did. It crossed, went lower, but again went up. So always remember, if it is breaking the above lines, it is a really good sign. But if it is coming back to support or break the support and break another line, then it's a trend of going down. Why I'm saying this? Wait a minute. No, there is no previous same stuff here, but why I'm saying this is because once it starts to break those lines, it starts to go down, down and down. And that's why if it is breaking above highs, it's going up. Right now, it's in a downward phase, but the support lies here at $1,841. Now let's move to daily chart. Wait a minute. Okay, I've removed the previous Fibonacci retracement. Now the first thing that I want to inform you is of what is happening right now. I have selected Fibonacci retracement, and from this high I am making till this low. Wait a minute. Extend lines. So I have selected from this high till this low. Right? Here we go. As you can see, it's taking the support at the same levels. And it is trading currently at this green line. So what does it represent? It represents that this red line or this line is really important. Why? Because once I keep my mouse here, you see previously it was stopped on this low. Previously it was stopped right here. So these are 2 and this is 3. So this level is really important. Then we come to this level. Wait a minute. Here we go. On this level, this was the first high. This was the second low. This right here, all those candles were not able to close above this line. 3 and these 2 lows, 4 and this low, 5. So this is second important support level. Now let's see this line. In this line, we don't see really important lows. So this line is not that as important as these 2 lines. Then we come to this line. Again on this line, we see one low, we see two low, we see three low. Sorry, wait a minute. Yeah, this is the low. This is the line. Again, it's not important because only this is the resistance level, but it closed up, so it's not again an important level. So right here, you would believe that its fall can take down till here to 2412, here 2275, or here 2045. But I would take this red line as an important support level. And then once it starts to rise, this is the first important level of 2784, and then after 3000 it's 3575. That's approximately 20-25% higher. So currently I am bullish on Bitcoin. There is nothing to stop it. It may fall till 2284. Sorry, 2272. Right here it's written. But it will rise up because this low really helps it out to make higher highs. Now if we go to intraday chart, you see that it took support here, two lows, and it's going up. Yes, it may fall, but I believe it's going up. This is the level to buy, $2,300, $2,350, and then you will be making newer highs for sure. Thank you.